Hello students, today in this video we will learn your topic statistics from your exercise 14.2 page number 262. You see the question number B1. The blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows: A, B, O, A, B, O, A. These are the blood groups of 30 students of class 8. You have to represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table, and which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students you have to find. So here we will make the frequency distribution table, which you have got already in the lower class. How to make frequency distribution table you have got already in lower class. So these are what given, the given data are blood group. So here you write blood group. Then we have to find which group how many times. Here we write number of students. So first we'll see how many students are there of group A. You see group A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 students whose blood group is A. Next we'll see how many students are there of blood group B. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. So 6 students has blood group B. Then you see blood group A. How many students are there of blood group A, B? Blood group AB, how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, only 3 students. AB group has only 3 students has AB group. And last blood group is what? O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 number of students has blood group O. To tell how many students we have, total we have 30 students. You see, you have to get 30 here. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 2 in hand, 2 plus 1 is 3. So that means we have total 30 students, so we get 30. So this is your frequency distribution table. Now you see the next part of the question, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. So the most common group, the second part, the most common group, blood group, you see which one highest? Blood group O highest. That means most common blood group is O. And the most rarest, the rarest group, rarest group, blood group is which one? Least. You see 3 only. 3 student has only which group? AB. So rarest blood group is AB. So now we will do the next one. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. These are the given data. These given data are what? Distance of 40 engineers from their residence to place of work. So what we have to do? Construct a group frequency table with class size 5 for the data given above, taking the first interval 0 to 5. So now we will make the group frequency table. First, what we have given? First given distance in kilometer. Distance in kilometer. Then you write tele. Then frequency. First class interval is 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Here 5 not included. You have to take up to 4. So you see the first line here, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency 5. Next class will be 5 to 10. There 10 not included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, 11. Next, 10 to 15. 10 to 15. 15 not included. Up to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First you write frequency 11, then you write tele 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next, 15 to 20. There 20 not included. 20 not included. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Frequency 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, 20 to 25. 20 to 25. 1, 25 not included. 1, then 20 to 25 only 1. Then 25 to 30. There 30 not included. So 1, 1. Here also only 1. Then 30 to 35. 30 to 35. You see? 1. Is there any more? Yes. 2. No more. So 2. Now you see all the data here already cancelled. That means our table is completed now. So now you make total. Total you have to get how much? Engineer we have 40. You have to get 40. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 9 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 in hand. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So this is your group frequency table. Thank you.